What are you thinking? This is impossible. It can never be brought back to life. Brought back to life.
No. I have decided. I will bring it back to life.
He's gone crazy. What is he saying?
This is completely burnt. It can never come back to life.
He's lost his mind. Let's go.
Fine, if you won't help me, I will do it alone. I will bring it back to life. This is my determination. I will make the impossible possible.
How did this even happen? The tracks look clear.
It will take weeks to clear this mess.
The coupling hook completely failed. Look at the stress fractures.
I've never seen a derailment this severe on this line.
We'll need the black box data to know for sure.
Hello, Rust&REVIVAL. I need your help. Please come quickly. It's urgent. This train is badly damaged, but I believe we can fix it. But
I'm here. Let's assess the damage.
We need to fix it no matter what.
Then let's bring it back to life. Careful, lift it slowly.
We're moving it to repair it.
Don't damage it more, it still matters.
Be careful, it's still fragile.
We're taking it to repair.
I hope we can save it.
We brought it here, this is our last hope. Now the real work begins. Can it really be fixed? Everything broken can be rebuilt. It's completely burnt, the paint is gone. But I can still fix it. We just need time. Finally, I did it. I made the impossible possible.
How did you do this? How did you make the impossible possible?
Even the impossible can be made possible if your determination is strong enough.